So our house is gonna look like the most just raggedy ass little shack ever.
There we go. Made myself an axe.
I would also like an axe if you can make me one.
No, I only had 3 iron.
You can make it out of wood, freaking wood, or fucking
Well, I made mine out of
cobblestone.
iron. You only get the same quality as me.
Robert, just go die, please.
Come on, I can't make.
Okay, I need more wood.
I'll give you some.
Ooh, look, hi spider. You're mine now.
What are you doing, kitty?
He's talking to the cat.
Yes, he is. He is talking to the cat.
Why?
Because if he called me kitty, I might hit him.
By the way, get enough logs to replace the corners.
Huh?
The corners of your house.
What about
You're
him?
building. Get enough logs to replace the corners.
What?
Like the little corners of the house.
Did you?
I really didn't want to go looking for trees.
Where are you right now?
I'm in a place
Oh.
that I like to call my own.
Nate,
What?
did you know how my check has a thing that says I made? Tony. No, I put my check in your car, didn't I? Can I have your keys? No, I didn't deposit. I want to see. I took it apart for it. I want to see what you made. Not like that. Like how much I make per hour. Supposed to get a raise.
Eat a butt.
You won't.
Do you still have Oh, can you? How does this work?
What is going on right now in the background of your house?
Ion's making cookies.
So she.
I can hear you attacking the
There's candy cakes in it.
Yeah.
It's not the bitch. Stick it everywhere.
And then you use this to put
Go get wood and replace what you vandalized.
Oh my god, did I say fuck in your video?
Twice now. Oh, I have places to be. My people need me.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
She is so fucking sorry.
Damn it, go somewhere other than the kitchen, do that.
How was this one before?
This is hilarious.
It wasn't because it was.
For luck, someone can find that video and remix it.
Nate, are your brothers listening right now?
No, I have my headphones in. They can't hear you. Or your aunt.
And they're jacking up his YouTube internet stuff.
Apparently, yeah.
Oh god. You know, normally I'd like edit this out, like, oh, I don't want the family in it, but it's content. Funnier than anything I'd ever do.
So yeah, Robert, go replace what you destroyed on my house.
I turned it into planks.
Go replace it.
What? I can't hear you.
Go replace it.
Okay, I'm working on it.
Get all the rest of them out while I take care of that. I'll show you how to do it. He's gonna eat it off the tree, by the way.
Are you gonna slobber on my cookie sheet?
No.
Okay,
Oh, there we go.
That's the question, YouTube. Will he slobber on the cookie sheet?
Don't slobber.
Hold it.
What is going on at your house?
Oh, Jesus,
There.
frog, look at that.
Jesus frog.
I didn't fuck you carpenter.
Oh, fell out. Where's it?
I'm just exploring the desert right now, because I...
I think this is the best episode of any of my series so far.
Oh, this is the best ever.
I know. Not only
Out of
longer
anything.
than 10 minutes,
Alright.
but
See if that was work. Matthew?
no, the old software I was using only let me record 10 minutes.
Christmas is not about
That's so lovely, thank you.
There we go. I replaced.
Clear hater.
I replaced it.
I was gonna say you're gonna wash it.
I'm gonna get a cookie.
Oh, I'm itchy.
One of these.
Also, it sort of looks like something you hang up in a
One for him, one for the internet.
diner.
I'm back, and the cookies are delicious.
I found a mountain.
So did I actually. Crazy on that one sometimes.
I need this to be my house.
No, it didn't go to waste.
With no nails.
They're actually really good. All that great content. I got great cookies out of it.
It sounded like your aunt was trying to put a fork through a blender.
You said it sounded like you're trying to put a fork in a blender. No, it sounded like you're trying to scrape a fork or put it in a blender.
Yeah, I know.
At the end of the Y.
You were supposed to say that.
What?
So you wanna,
I found a mountain. I want it.
Yeah, you want it?
Yeah.
some nails in or some screws, I guess.
Yes, dude. Where are the nails?
So that's...
That's what you get for raising your
You know,
little
I
kid
did.
up.
There we go. I've almost finished building a farm.
Well, she's good at that. Raises her own all the time.
I should record upstairs all the time. Oh my god.
This is
I should
the.
record upstairs all the time.
This is great. Yes, do exactly that.
You've watched the videos. This is the best thing that's happened so far.
Oh yeah, by far. Whew, I just climbed 2 mountains. Oh, look, pigs.
Make a fucking pancake, and now I got some big.
What is going
Guess my
on?
family's favorite word. Guess. I dare you.
Is it the F word?
Yeah, you heard it.
I found a lot of chickens and some coal on this mountain. And some pigs.
Can
Dude,
you
I
like
gotta
hold
farm
this up?
Okay, like all of your brothers sound.
You should
like
measure how far
really
away
weird.
that is. on
You're
the
weird.
paper.
Oh, look, another desert.
It's-
That's
That's
true.
probably the
I would say, actually, it looks about a foot.
Like, is your house one room? Why are y'all in there?
Because this is me and my brother Matt's room, and he's trying to do something Christmas-like
Okay.
with decorations, and my brother Tony's helping him. That's why they're all in here.
Also, it's my Romeo too, so.
I said it was your room, too. Don't call me... Do you hear what my brother called me?
Well, there's
This kid, he called me a little Jew.
There's no,
This is the most anti-Semitic thing ever.
Well, maybe we should stop talking about the Jewish population ditto.
Look, that was you and my brother. I didn't say anything. Actually, no, my brother's what started it in the first place.
Yeah.
Wow, my brother's anti-Semitic.
Oh my god.
They're using a power drill.
Heard.
There's one on the
Exactly
table.
what that
On
is.
that dresser.
Straight Saturday, Watson.
I also found some sugar cane.
Dude, I got wheat. We got bread city now, baby.
That's cool. I'm just gonna keep adventuring.
We can do that.
I'm sorry.
Oh, look at that.
I'm sorry. I deeply apologize for my life.
Oh, it's fine. This is the best video on my channel.
Oh, I found horsies. I don't have a saddle though.
Oh, this is amazing. Oh, potato chip.
I found so many little spotted horsies.
What's up? Skeleton.
My brother's inching closer to me at the power drill, and I don't appreciate it.
It's fine.
And he just knocked over the blue Christmas tree, but I caught it.
Can you ask your brothers if they're hanging up decorations or building a new wall?
Hey guys, my friend wants to know if you're hanging up decorations or building a new wall.
Yes.
Literally every member of my family has now
They said yes.
contributed to the fact they are building a new wall.
No, they just said yes. Like,
Oh. Yes to what? It was an or question.
yes.
Don't explain the joke.
He said not to explain the joke.
Dude, this is gonna be the best thing. Oh my god.
The joke explains it.
You're a Jew that
I think I might actually get some views.
Too real.
This power drill is the bane of my life.
Too.
This is making my day.
What?
My aunt just said that my dad chewed the cookies off the tray like a beaver.
It's a little crooked, but that's just a good crooked. It's like happy holidays, you know? Whatever. We're fun around
Dude,
here.
people are actually gonna watch my videos now.
I just found a gaping pit in the ground.
Time we talk about.
I just found a black horse and I want it.
Where's your plastic history go?
Oh, I found acacia trees.
They're watching the game. They're not watching them.
And now they're explaining to my aunt how you do.
Oh!
This is the best video on my channel.
This is the best thing.
Old days, you know?
How old is your aunt right now? Just out of curiosity.
She's 62.
Oh, okay.
Take a sip of water or something.
As you can tell, she's a good, faithful, church-going.
Oh, fuck that. Are you serious? Put that on your damn thing?
Trust me, they know you don't go to church, Robin.
So I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna make a bed and sleep. You should join me.
Oh,
In the sleeping, not the bed.
oh God.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You said every damn dirty word it was.
I tried real hard to do
Oh,
it.
hell no. You were like, fucking damn goddamn. Oh,
Can you hear my mom right now?
Yes. Yes, I can.
Mike is picking this up.
This is gonna be PG-13.
In church? Today! Anybody else hear me?
Something tells me I'm gonna hit that 20 subscribers pretty soon.
Something tells me we're gonna hit 1,000 off of this video.
I should, I should have my make sure I'm upstairs for every video from now on.
Oh my god, yes. I made a bed, so if you could go ahead and plop one down, I'd be eternally grateful.
Oh, what?
Go sleep.
Oh dear, my son.
Yeah, I got a better idea.
That's his cookies.
candy cane.
Do not teleport me.
There you go.
They probably
I just asked you not to
It's
teleport
too late. I already
me.
hit enter.
you are not allowed to make these cookies.
I don't know where I am. Everything's broke. You just broke the game. I'm in eternal nothingness.
You say so, write the goddamn recipe.
I didn't want to come back here. I wanted to keep adventuring. You know, I'm gonna stomp out your crops.
Yeah, hey, Jen.
I can't. There's no room to jump. I can't stomp on your crops.
Don't stomp on my crate. Get out of my bed.
No. Whore.
What I say?
Close the door, please.
Bed.
Oh, Nathaniel?
Can I help? I told you, you're too young, they make you cuss.
No, you put them on the tray.
No, you can put them on the tray. I have to get them
Go
off.
get something to
because I'm
drink.
the only one that can cuss. You
Yeah,
can't cuss.
that's.
Join my family, YouTube.